So Hamster Combat has added 3 more games to the Hamster Combat playground game. So if you go to playground, so you are going to see the 3 additional games that are added: the train, miner, then the chain cube, and my clone army. So this will actually enable us to be able to get more keys. And there's one message that is very common here. It said, get the key, you need it in the future. So that is just very important. So go ahead and download the game. So the first game, that's the train miner. All you need to do is say hold to move around. So all you need to do is to tap and hold on the screen. You discover that the train will be moving around. So as it's moving around to be mining, then the train track will be becoming bigger, the feed will be becoming bigger. Then from there, you can match, you can add more to the train, then you can increase the speed and capacity of the train. You can see now you can buy more wagon. That's the train wagon. You can buy more. So there are a lot of things you can actually do here. So the more you add to your train, it becoming bigger, then the more the capacity of the train of your miner. That's how to actually play this this game. So as soon as you are done playing, then you change level, then you get your key. So the cube game is one of the easiest of all the game of the 3 games. So what you need to do, like this cube now, the one in green, so you will be trying and be targeting the same number. So another number will appear, then this 8 now use it to target number 8 at the top. You get that. So then you can change the cube downward. So the idea is that when each cube with the same number touches each other, then you break the cube, then you'll be able to get points. You get. So you can see now. So 16 now we use it to target 16. You see it. So then 4, we target 4. Get that. So each time the same number touches each other, then you get the needed point. Then if you look downward, you will see the black and the cube. So as you play the game, you get more cube, you get more, more. This black is like a bomb. So when you get it, you'll be able to use to smash the accumulation of those cube at the top. So as soon as you are done playing the game, you've completed the needed task there, then you'll be able to get the Hamster key. So this is all about cloning yourself. Look at the green spot with a little bit of black. So cloning will be done. So you clone yourself to go and fight the enemy. So the more enemy you get, the more chances of you getting your key as quick as possible. So then the other part, that's where you recharge yourself. The green spot. So that's where you recharge yourself. Then you follow the direction of the arrow. So you can go outside the box to go and fight. Then as you are going, you can pick up those coins that are falling. Then you can run back and come and recharge. You can see the green icon on yourself. So that is your main self. So you can come back, just follow the direction of the arrow behind you. So follow the direction of the arrow behind you. You can see, you can come on this green something to recharge yourself. Can you see now? Then you can follow the direction of the something that you go and deposit the coin you've gathered on the field of battle. You get that? So the arrow will just guide you. So when you are done, you can see now. So when you are done, then you can go back to the battlefield and go and fight, while the other both keep duplicating yourself to fight the battle. So when you are done, then you can now copy. You can see go completed. Then you can get your keys. You can see the key have been given. So as soon as you complete your quest, then you can copy your key, go to your Hamster Combat, and go and paste it. So you get the whole idea of the game. So that's how the brief way on how you can actually play the 3 new games that have been added, so that you can be getting at least 16 keys in a day. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, And more importantly, join our Telegram channel so that you can be getting regular updates from us directly. So see you next time for more updates.